From requirements definition through to certification, Honeywell provides every aspect of electrical power generation and distribution systems development. The EGTS Electric Taxiing System, developed in partnership with Safran, allows aircraft to taxi without requiring the use of the main aircraft engines. Instead, the aircraft's auxiliary power unit, or APU generator, is used to power motors on the main wheels. This can result in savings of up to 4% of an aircraft's total block fuel budget, or an average $250,000 of savings per aircraft per year. EGTS delivers significant environmental benefits, reducing carbon emissions by up to 75% and NOx emissions by up to 50% during airport taxiing operations. Time performance can be improved thanks to the aircraft being able to push back and go autonomously, which can decrease pushback time by up to 60%. This, in turn, reduces gate congestion. EGTS is optimized for short or medium-haul flights operating from busy airports.